Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribe. I am Arun Kumar. In this video, I am going to give you a very quick information about Russell Group Universities and modern universities. But before we get to the topic, please like and subscribe to my channel. And now let us come to the topic. As you know, that Russell Group Universities and modern universities are the universities which are located in United Kingdom. As you know, that United Kingdom is formed by three regions: Scotland, Wales, and England, and these three combinedly formed as United Kingdom. And there are two types of universities. As we know, that Russell Group Universities and modern universities. The main difference between these two universities is modern universities are the universities which are constructed just before 30-40 years, and Russell Group universities are already constructed between 1500 century and 1400 century. It means it has history of 400-500 years ago, and there are many universities which are constructed long ago. It means 500 years ago, 600 years ago, 700 years ago. Russell Group University is having a large amount of history while comparing with modern university, but the quality of education is high in both type of universities. But most of the students will be preferring to study in Russell Group University because those are the universities which are constructed at centuries ago, and those are the oldest universities. So they will be preferring that Russell Group University will be providing high quality of education. But it's not like that. Russell Group University will be providing high quality of education. It's true, but at the same time, modern universities also provide high quality of education because they are located in United Kingdom. United Kingdom is known to be quality of education, and also if we complete our studies in UK at current situation, we will be getting 2 year work permit, 2 year extent visa, so that we can work more after completion of our masters for 1 year. We can also stay in UK for more 2 years. It's the biggest advantage at current situation. So I hope you gain a little bit knowledge in this video. And Russell Group Universities and modern universities offers high quality of education, and the education quality is high, and we can also enjoy health benefits from UK. United Kingdom, as you know, that United Kingdom is known to be the country which provides high quality of health system also. So after completion of our education, will be having an opportunity to get work visa. We can gain a job, a good job, because we will be having 2 years of time after completion of our master for 1 year, and we will be having 2 years of time. In the 2 years, we will be having an opportunity to find a good job, and London is the city which provides high salary in throughout Europe. As you know, that London is famous for its richness and beauty, and London provides high quality, high amount of salary compared to all the cities in the Europe. So I hope you get a little bit knowledge in this video. If you wanted to study in Russell Group University, that is very good, and it doesn't mean that modern universities doesn't offer high quality of education. Both the universities will be offering high quality of education, and depends upon person to person and course to course, and it depends upon his personal choice. So I hope you gain a little bit knowledge in this video. Please be connected with me. I will be uploading more and more videos regarding this international affairs and university educational affairs. So pandemic is not yet completed. Must stay safe and stay home. And once again, must follow precautions because pandemic is not yet completed. So stay safe, stay home. Jai Hind.